Hello, in today's video, I will show you how to make a cup using parametric design. Parametric design is a method of designing by entering parameter values using the keyboard. Until now, when we were modeling, we designed using the mouse. But if you use this method, you can design by entering values using the keyboard. After running Fusion360, select a plane in the sketch and create the bottom part of the cup. Select a circle based on the midpoint and create a circle with a diameter of 70. And extrude it upwards by 100. After extruding, do not press Enter. Then you can see something that can move like this. If you turn it around, you can see that the shape changes like this. We are going to give it a 10 taper angle. Now let's dig into this. I will use shell, not hole. Shell removes material from the inside of a part to create a hollow cavity with walls of a specified thickness. Therefore, using this can keep the bottom surface. Click on the shell, select the top face and pull it out. You can see that the bottom part is blocked and only the top part is pierced. Set inside thickness to 5. The simple curve shape is complete, but as you can see, the corners are too sharp. So I'm going to use fillet to cut it a little bit. Select the outer corner and the inner corner together, and set the radius value to 2. Now let's make the cup handle. Click Create Sketch and choose a plane where you can see the cup from the side. Set Center Diameter Circle and set diameter to 20. Now move your view to the side of the circle you just created, and click Create Sketch. Click Fit Point Spline and make the curve handle. You can ignore this inside because the cup handle will be on the outside. Click Sweep and select these two. If you click OK here, there will be a hole like this. To make a handle, you need to change the operation to join instead of cut. After that, select the inner column and delete it. So far, I modeled a curve without using parametric design. Now let's try parametric design. Click Modify and select Change Parameter. If you open all the items in this window, you can see the values we entered while using the function we have used so far. Sketch 1 is the diameter of the bottom circle. If you enter 100 here, you can see that the curve is wider. And if we increase the value of alone distance in Extrude 1, the cup becomes higher. We gave the share value as 5, but let's increase the shell value a little more. Then you can see the wall getting thicker. As the wall gets thicker, the filleted part decreases. So let's raise the fillet value a bit more. I will set the value to 3. And if you increase the value of sketch 3, you can see that the handle gets thicker like this. I will set it to 15. I won't touch the sweep value. If you change the sweep value here, you can see that the shape gets weird. I showed you how to use parametric design to modify our cup design. On the left is the shape before modification, and on the right is the cup after modification using parametric design. Today's video ends here. Thank you for watching.